Hi friends, Namaste and welcome back to our YouTube channel Tutor Pratik. In today's CSS session, we will learn about CSS styling images. In this CSS styling images, we learn to give various styles for our images, like aligning images to the center of our web page, giving various rounded and circular image shapes, applying borders, box shadows for design image thumbnails, various image filters and many more. So please keep watching the video till end. And before we start, if you still didn't subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell button that it will be notified whenever we publish our new session videos. Now let's begin the session. Here I have one image added in our web page. Now to make this image align to the center of our web page, for this, inside the style tag, let's give some CSS properties for our IMG element. As in default, IMG elements are in inline display. So first, let's change its display to block. Then let's give width to 50% to reduce the size of our image. And then we have to give margin properties for align to the center, margin, left, auto, and margin right. Also, we will give the value auto. Here we can see that our image is now aligned to the center of our web page. Now let's make some changes for our image shapes. For this, we are going to use the border radius property. Border radius 10 pixel. Now we have 10 pixel rounded border corners for our image. If we change this 10 pixel value to 50%, now we have circular shape for our image. If you want to learn more details about border radius, you can check our previous CSS session videos about border radius. You can get the link of that video on this video's description and also in the I button. Now again, let's give some more properties to make better design for our image. Border 1 pixel, solid, and let's give the color DDD. Then give the padding 5 pixel. By using these properties, we can design image thumbnails in various styles. Now let's give some CSS properties for hover state for our image. IMG, hover, box shadow 0, 0, 2 pixel, 1 pixel, and let's give the RGBA color system for giving the transparent color. And inside this RGBA, let's give the value 0, 140, 186, and for transparency, let's give 0.5. Now let's give another property, transform scale to -1. Now here we can see that the hover effect on our image. Here we applied the box shadow and the image flipping on the hover state of our image. You can check our previous video about CSS shadow and CSS transform for more details about these properties. Now the most important part we have to know on CSS image styling is image filter. We have various image filters like blur, brightness, contrast, saturate, etc. Let's try these filters on this image hover state. For applying the image filter, we have the property filter, and for the value for this filter property, let's use blur for pixel. Now here, when we over the mouse, we can see that our image got blurred. Similarly, let's state brightness 250%. Now our image brightness got increased. As well as, let's try this contrast filter, contrast 180%. Here, now our image contrast got changed as per the value we given in this contrast filter. Same as this, let's change the saturation of our image. For this, we use the value saturate and let's give the value 5 inside this bracket. Wow, our image saturation got increased. In this way, we can use various filter effects for our image. Now, let's design one image card using these various styling properties for our image. For this, let's create the class card and give CSS properties on it. Div dot card width 80%, background color to white, box shadow, and also apply margin bottom to 25 pixels. And for title of image, let's create another class and give CSS properties for it. Div dot title text align, center, padding 10 pixel, 20 pixel. Now let's use this class for creating image card. Let's create one div with class card, and inside it let's add one image, and then just below of this image let's create another div with class title, and inside this div let's give our title for our image nature. Now with this CSS image styling, we can add more image cards. Just copy this card div and change the image name and title. Now we have two image card designs in our web page. It's really looking very beautiful. So just by using these simple CSS properties, we can design our image styles and can create attractive image galleries and more. That's all for today. We will come back soon with new interesting CSS session videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.